Good morning, welcome to today's vlog. Oh my gosh, I was trying to turn off my windshield wipers, but never mind. Anyway, so I'm running late. I barely slept last night for some reason. I don't know, like things just were going my way, I guess. Like, I don't know, I just couldn't get to sleep and then I couldn't stay asleep. And I ended up just, like, I kept pressing snooze just so I could, like, sleep more. And so now I'm running late. I have 30 minutes to get to school and that's about the time it takes me, so I think I'll make it. So I'm not gonna make this too long, but it's Monday today. It should be a fun day. I think what I'm doing, I'm going to class, then I have a meeting at 12 o'clock for the conference I'm going to on Friday in California, and then for studio we're actually going on a site visit today to a synagogue, so I'm probably going to take you guys along with me to show you kind of how we do that in school or what that looks like. They're actually kind of fun because it's a little bit of a freebie for us instead of having to sit in the class all day. And then after that, I think the last thing I have today is it's our AIAS, which is the American Institute of Architecture Students. It's a club organization. It is our recruitment week, membership week, so we're having like a kickoff meeting, and then there's like things going on throughout the week, like I think there's flag football, game night, some other things. So it should be really fun. Hopefully I can show you guys some of it, just so you can see sort of what a normal week with a little bit added extra fun it looks like for me. So let's go. Going to the site now, like I mentioned earlier.
We're going on a trip to a synagogue in Spanish Springs, Argentina.
Yeah, we're going to a synagogue, but it's like a adapted, reused gas station.
No, it was
auto repair shop.
Auto repair.
They got switched into a synagogue.
Yeah.
So it's pretty cool. I ended up not having my first class today, so I rushed to school for no reason. I could have slept longer. It's okay. Then I had a
Sound effects,
I know, ding ding. I had a meeting for the conference I'm going to, which I'm really excited about, and it will be really neat. I don't know if I'm gonna record anything there, but maybe. How am I supposed to put my stuff in here?
on this side. Okay.
On that side?
Don't show them my
I'm gonna show them everything, Andrew.
architecture.
Everything.
This is just another closet.
It's about everybody's car looks like this,
Oh, so
except mine. Okay.
Okay.
It's hot. It needs to get colder now. I'm tired of this. I'm looking greasy. Here we go!
No. I remember where I am based off this room, so I think this is the
I've been here before.
This is the weirdest exit.
Andrew wanted me to turn on the camera.
So yeah, you're gonna face it outside.
Okay.
All the houses here.
I think I used to go this way to work, or I do go this way sometimes.
It would seem like
Oh yeah, this one? Yeah, I drove by this the other day.
you can get a shot of the house.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I literally worked there.
See,
But I always like almost crash because I'm just looking at like all the houses. I was gonna say you should play some of your beats. No, they're not ready yet.
look at
Andrew's a very talented musician.
I don't know. I don't.
You should show the world, all my 29 subscribers.
Just drop my SoundCloud link.
Oh, there's a modern home.
In the description.
Ooh. It's like the one modern house.
I mean, I feel like there's more. We just haven't.
There's actually one, it might be on, no, I don't think it's this corner, but there's one that's like in the trees, kind of like down in a hole. I think it's somewhere else though, but it's like huge. It looks like a giant saucer, and it's like some modern masterpiece. Andrew decided to play his beats for me. This shit is fire. It's so good. What's the name of your, do you have a producer name, or what's your...
Outcast on the beat.
You see your Inspo's Juice WRLD? Yeah. Got that vibe. Hopefully it's cool.
Hopefully this is it.
I'll get some cool shots.
No, this is not.
No.
That's Kina. That looks like Kina. Yeah, that's Kina. Selfish. She drove here by herself.
Here we go. Hey guys, it's me again. A little bit later, I went to my AIAS, I can never say that. I went to our meeting. It was just like a kickoff meeting for our membership week. We had pizza, it was cool, I don't know. It didn't last very long, but breaking news. I was literally jamming out, driving home. Now I'm on the side of the road because I'm stupid. There was like a giant white jug, or not, I later found out it was a jug. There was something big and white in the road, and the car in front of me went over it, and I thought it was okay. And it looked just like cloth or like paper towel or something. I don't know why I thought it would be that. I was trying to think of like the best case scenario, you know? So I went over it, and it makes a huge loud noise. And so I pull over because it doesn't sound good, and it's literally a whole, like, you know those gallon, or maybe, I don't know how many gallons, like what paint comes in, like the really big ones. It was one of those, but it's filled with nails. Literally, it's such karma because literally all of my flat tires I've ever had have been because of nails. And now I run over a huge container of nails. And so I'm pulled over. Sorry, I'm looking around because I'm like scared someone's gonna come find me. It's kind of a unsafe area, but yeah. I pulled over. It's stuck under my car right now. There's nails everywhere, like in the road. Like I'm pretty sure some other people got flat tires because there's literally just nails everywhere. And I heard some people driving by and their tires were like popping. I have, from what I can see, I have like 3 nails in my back tire, and I can hear the air coming out of it. I don't hear air coming out of any of the other ones, but yeah. I'm just so sad. And I called my dad, and he was like really mad at me. AAA wants me to like tow my car. I don't know how to do this. I don't know about cars. I'm just so frustrated because I'm so stupid. I literally always try and think I can go over it. This has happened to me twice with something else. Like on the highway, there was like a ladder, and I went over it and like banged up the bottom of my car. Nothing happened, but this time something happened. And yeah, this is really frustrating. Literally, we were talking yesterday about how I was gonna have to get new tires soon. So what better time than now, right? It's not like I have anything to do or a super busy week. Things just happen always at like the worst times, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my dad, and that's how I'm gonna end this vlog. I think, so I'm going to the conference this weekend in California, so I'm gonna try and vlog some of that just because I think it's gonna be really fun. Of course, there will be parts I can't because it's a professional event. I don't want to like have the camera out, but I'm gonna try and show you guys some of that. And then I'm going on some more site visits next week, so that'll be really cool. There are actually some really neat ones that are basically brand new, so it'll be a little more interesting than the one today. But yeah, I was just gonna go home and do homework, but now obviously my day is changed and ruined, and I'm gonna be out here for a long time. So with that, I will say goodbye to you guys. Hope you enjoy the rest of your night. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!